Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. Before I send you over to the video, just wanted to remind you to like, subscribe, and ding the bell notification so that you always know when a new video pops up. This video is about my 1976 Chevrolet Nova. Hope you like it. Thanks for checking out the channel. Hey y'all, this is my 76 Nova. Fixing to get started on it. This is a car that it's been in my family since it was brand new, and I've waited my whole life to start fixing this thing up, and my only fear is that I may have waited too long, because took the hood off years ago to remove the engine and transmission and never put the hood back, and that was a huge mistake. Let me show you why. All that rust. Now these core supports were bad about rusting out of these things anyway, but it is completely gone. There's the battery tray, what's left of it. I mean, you can see I made a huge mistake leaving that hood off, and I knew it, and I just never would get around to it, so don't ever do that. Like I say, I knew I did it, just didn't catch it. So there was some other damage too. It's got a few little dings and dents in it. Back here in this quarter panel, you can see where it's rusting through. That's where my dad hit it in the yard with another vehicle. The other vehicle, the brakes went out, and it was either the house or the Nova. And after he told me what happened, I asked him, I said, "Why didn't you hit the house?" But as you can see, it's rusted through now. See, the trunk lid is trash too. For some reason, when I was 14, I thought it would be cool to put speakers back here and sit in the car in the middle of the heat of the day and listen to the radio. So that's the 76 Nova. Here is the engine. This is not the original engine. That is technically not the original transmission either, but that is the transmission that came out of the car. This engine came out of a Blazer, and I've been tearing it down. Gonna refresh it, build it back. She's ready to come in the garage and get started. Hey y'all, let's get it pushed in the garage.
We good, baby?
We're good, thank
Okay.
you.
You're welcome.
That's how you do it, guys. Put the little woman to work. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and ding the little bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. It really helps the channel grow, and leave a comment for me as well. I'll do my best to get back with everybody and look forward to hearing from you, and let me know what you think. I really want to know. Thank you.